The Supreme Court appointed judges panel to oversee the rehabilitation in Manipur violence asked the top court to direct state government and high court to examine the issues in compensation scheme and make necessary amendments and additions. The judges panel constituted by the Supreme Court to look into the rehabilitation efforts in violence hit Manipur has urged to upgrade the compensation scheme on par with the scale put forth by National Legal Services Authority. The three-member Judicial Committee of former women High Court judges, headed by retired Justice Geeta Mittal, submitted their reports to the Supreme Court on Monday. The committee urged the top court to direct the Home Department, Government of Manipur, and the High Court to forthwith examine the issues flagged and make appropriate amendments or modifications or additions in the Manipur Victim Compensation Scheme 2019, in any case within 2 weeks. The report also sought that directions be issued to the central and state government to provide information regarding Manipur Victim Compensation Scheme 2019 as well as another special schemes under which the displaced persons can take benefit. Along with compensation, the Judicial Committee also urged Supreme Court to direct the Manipur High Court and state government to urgently complete the process of appointing secretaries of the district legal services authorities to all the 16 districts.